Lesson: Fine-tuning prompts for optimal results. Fine-tuning prompts for optimal results is a critical skill in the realm of prompt engineering, particularly given the increasing reliance on AI-driven systems for diverse applications. The art and science of crafting effective prompts are essential for anyone seeking to maximize the efficacy of AI tools, especially when harnessing the potential of large language models like GPT-3 or GPT-4. This lesson will delve into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step strategies that can be directly implemented to address real-world challenges, thereby enhancing proficiency in prompt engineering. The primary goal of fine-tuning prompts is to achieve specificity and clarity, which significantly improves the quality of the output generated by AI models. Crafting prompts that are too broad or ambiguous can lead to irrelevant or unsatisfactory responses. A well-designed prompt serves as a clear instruction set for the model, guiding it to produce the desired outcome. One effective approach is the use of the SMART framework, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By applying this framework to prompt construction, one can ensure that each prompt is precisely tailored to elicit the most relevant and accurate information from the model. To illustrate the application of the SMART framework, consider a scenario in which an AI model is utilized to generate marketing copy for a new product launch. A vague prompt such as "write a product description" may yield generic results. Instead, a SMART prompt would be "generate a 150-word product description highlighting the eco-friendly features and competitive pricing of our new reusable water bottle, targeting environmentally conscious consumers." This prompt is specific, measurable in terms of word count, achievable given the model's capabilities, relevant to the marketing objective, and implicitly time-bound by the need to generate the copy quickly. Another practical tool for fine-tuning prompts is the iterative testing and refinement process. This involves generating multiple versions of a prompt, testing each one with the AI model, and analyzing the outputs to determine which prompt most effectively achieves the desired result. This process is akin to A/B testing in marketing, where different versions of content are tested to see which performs better. By iteratively refining prompts, prompt engineers can identify subtle nuances in language and structure that significantly impact the quality of the model's output. For example, in a study conducted by Smith et al., researchers experimented with varying prompt structures to improve the accuracy of AI-generated medical diagnoses. By systematically testing and refining their prompts, they achieved a 15% increase in diagnostic accuracy. This case study highlights the critical role of iterative testing in enhancing prompt efficacy, demonstrating that even minor modifications in wording can lead to significant improvements in performance. In addition to frameworks and iterative refinement, leveraging external resources and tools can further optimize prompt engineering efforts. One such resource is the use of prompt libraries, which are collections of pre-tested prompts that have been proven to generate high-quality outputs for specific tasks. These libraries serve as valuable reference points, providing insights into effective prompt structures and language patterns. Additionally, prompt libraries can be customized and expanded based on individual needs, enabling prompt engineers to build a repository of tested and refined prompts that can be reused across different projects. Moreover, incorporating user feedback in the prompt refinement process is another powerful strategy. Engaging end users to evaluate the relevance and quality of AI-generated outputs provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of different prompts. This feedback loop allows prompt engineers to adjust their approaches based on real-world user experiences, thereby enhancing the alignment between AI outputs and user expectations. In practice, this might involve conducting surveys or interviews with users to gather qualitative insights, which can then inform further prompt optimization efforts. A common challenge in prompt engineering is balancing creativity with constraints. While it is important to provide clear and specific instructions, overly rigid prompts can stifle the model's ability to generate creative and nuanced responses. To address this challenge, prompt engineers can experiment with different levels of constraint, testing how variations in prompt specificity impact the creativity of the outputs. For instance, a study by Zhao et al. Found that prompts that included both specific instructions and open-ended elements resulted in outputs that were both accurate and creatively rich. This balance can be achieved by crafting prompts that set clear objectives while allowing room for exploration within defined parameters. Statistical analysis also plays a crucial role in evaluating the effectiveness of different prompts. By employing quantitative metrics to assess the quality of AI-generated outputs, prompt engineers can make data-driven decisions about which prompts are most effective. Metrics such as precision, recall, and F1 score can be used to evaluate the accuracy and relevance of outputs in relation to the original prompt objectives. For example, in a study on AI-generated news articles, researchers utilized these metrics to compare the performance of different prompt structures, ultimately identifying the most effective prompts for producing accurate and engaging news content. In conclusion, fine-tuning prompts for optimal results is a multifaceted process that requires a strategic approach, combining the use of frameworks like SMART, iterative testing, leveraging external resources, incorporating user feedback, balancing creativity with constraints, and employing statistical analysis. By integrating these strategies, prompt engineers can enhance the quality and relevance of AI-generated outputs, addressing real-world challenges and achieving proficiency in this critical aspect of AI implementation. As AI systems continue to evolve, the importance of effective prompt engineering will only grow, underscoring the need for professionals to master these techniques to harness the full potential of AI technologies.